to a Damaged TV update with Damaged Creator. So, we are going to talk about where I've been and what I've been doing. Right now, I'm actually in my soon-to-be studio, where I'm going to be doing like my makeup tutorials and my reviews, because I don't want to just stick to you guys seeing one room, you know, because there's more than one room in this house. And the living room is kind of just, it's not, no, I can't do that one. But what I can do is do a little makeshift studio in here until, you know, I'll get into the process of moving out and having my own apartment, because I've been really actually planning to move out in 2020, but with a lot of stuff going on and, you know, the holidays and me just overall not feeling up to doing anything as far as planning to move. It may or may not happen, because right now it's not like I'm pressed for cash, but I don't have any money to be moving right now, and working in this economy is just shit. So, I don't know, man. That, and you guys know I've been on YouTube for like 10 plus years now, and I ain't making no like money off of videos, you know. Not that I don't want to. I want to be in the process of actually making a little bit of some money on YouTube. But the way that YouTube is set up, it's just kind of like, what's the point of really doing it? Hold on, I'm right back. Hey, I'm back. I was on the phone with my sister and I wanted to play this little card game. But as I was saying about the money situation, you know, I was planning on moving out somewhere within the year 2020, right? With so much going on, you know, family-wise, and me now really want to be, you know, trying to get paid, you know, trying to make off to railroad with it. So if even that would be the best option until I can really process it. You know what I'm saying? I'm still going through, come back from Jamaica, and you know, it wasn't even bad. Jamaica was an amazing experience. You got to log it and everything, and really did that experience for that. You know, what bothered me is that, you know, prior to going, just me, I haven't, like, I'm like the big traveler, I guess. I don't even have to tell y'all about that. A lot of good things happened this year, you know. I was able to go out country first time, and, you know, experience something interesting, even though it was all at work. Like, the only experience of Jamaica that I got to see was just, you know, driving up in business like that, like the big town type businesses, and really interested because Jamaica's so small. It's not like a small country. It's not like it's tiny. You know what I mean? But you know, compared to like other countries, you don't really see that because it's so much off there. And I realized a lot of the times I process of things of what an amazing experience that was. You know, just to see the other side of the world, just things. So just let. You know what I mean, it's not like we went that too. It is what it is. You know what I mean? I'm just happy that I got to experience it. You know. Next stop is Florida, because if those you know don't watch football, the Ravens are the #1 and #1 AFC right now, man, and it's looking like they're going to the Super Bowl. It's been predicted that we're going to the Super Bowl, and so it's in Florida. So Florida may be the next place to go and just experience life over there. And, unfortunately, because of the what's it called? The provider that I have, I really couldn't make any crazy calls. Because Metro CS, I don't know, the international charges with Metro CS is a bunch of crap, so I don't know if he's doing any like serious. I couldn't really talk to him because I was going, you know, because international calls, those are some serious charges, especially if you're out of the country. If you're in Toronto, I had my phone on airplane mode the whole time I was in Jamaica, and it sucked. I really wanted to like to my mom, and tell her how it went. But only if you communicate with Facebook. If you know how I know, it really holds on. So I just don't know any further into it. Don't worry about clicking on it. I like maintaining. This is one of the games. But that and this game called Connected. That's a really game I should play that soon on here. No, I'm talking about and stuff like that. Yeah, I'll stop talking my head off because I'm getting ready to edit this video. Then, you know, hit the hay, you know what I mean? Okay, to the bed. About 11:33. Gotta get ready for my sister. She's coming, right? Because she gets off from her and everything. And I have a sense. And, oh, that sucks. Damn. But yeah, I'm in the video.